What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, bringing you the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today we're going to talk about one of the hottest coins out there. This coin is under the radar. Nobody talking about this coin except your boy Stock Holiday. And my folks over there in the Patreon, we have been killing it with this play. But first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, Bitcoin is holding its own. It's doing its thing. Bitcoin is at $70,700. It's up 2% today. That is great. That is excellent. We are just 24 days away from the Bitcoin halving. We are at a great level for Bitcoin. Altcoins are responding well. In the Patreon, we've been looking at several charts, several different coins, and these coins are starting to show parabolic curves. Everything seems to be heading in the upward direction. Things is getting exciting. Things are getting ready to get explosive. You definitely want to make sure that you get your plays ready, get your plays set. The Fear and Greed Index is at 82. And like I always say, we really want to watch the Fear and Greed Index, because when that thing get to super extreme, about 92 and 95, you better watch out, because normally we will have a pullback when the Fear and Greed Index get to about 92, 95. But hey, it's exciting times. 24 days away from the Bitcoin halving. We getting ready to kill it. We getting ready to dominate this 2024, 2025 bull market. Now let's get straight to it. The coin that I'm talking about, that we're so excited about today, is QREDO. QREDO. We've been in this coin for several months. We got in this coin when it was beat down, when it was low. We did a full analysis of this coin in the beginning. We saw the potential that this coin had, the fact that we bought this coin when it was 3 cents. Currently, this coin today is up 40% on just the day today. Coin is at 8 cents today. We got in at 3 cents, so we almost did a 3x on that coin. One of the main things that attracted us to this coin is the all-time high potential that this coin has. This coin all-time high is at $9. So we got in that coin at 3 cents. If that coin get back to $9, you do the math. You're talking about a 300x. And like I say, a lot of the coins we have, I like to just make a 25x, something like that. But when I saw this, I'm like, what? You got the potential to do a 300x? Then I'm like, okay, worst case, if this coin don't perform well, if it perform mediocre, I'm like, it'll probably do a 70x, a 60x, which is out of sight, fantastic, superior, and all the other adjectives that you can use to describe an outstanding coin. This coin is really going to do big things. The market cap for this coin right now is only about $60 million. When we got in this coin, the market cap was about $20 million. So that was another thing that attracted us to it. It was such a very small, low cap coin. Even right now, today, at 8 cents, this coin still have potential to make exponential gains. Like I mentioned before, the all-time high is $9. So even right here at 8 cents, if it get back to the all-time high, you think you got in late to this coin, you think you was late to the party, you can still do a 100x if it get back to the all-time high of $9. This is an outstanding coin. Like I said before, nobody's talking about this coin. This coin is under the radar. The only person you'll find talking about this coin is your boy Stock Holiday. We've been talking about this coin for such a long time over there in the Patreon, so you guys could click that link down below. Join us over there in the Patreon so you can take advantage and get access to all of the 100x plays that we've been calling, all the 200x plays that we've been calling. We even got some 1000x plays that are brewing, that are getting ready to hit a 1000x during this upcoming bull market. So click that link below. Join us over there in the Patreon. We would love to see you. We have an awesome community, awesome, helpful family over there. You do not want to be a lone wolf going through this current Bitcoin bull market 2024, 2025. Come on over there and join us. I love to hold your hand. We got access to your boy over there in the inboxes. It is just such a wonderful community over there. But like I say, we are 24 days away from the Bitcoin halving. So what we're doing right now, we're getting our portfolios ready. We're getting our portfolios set. We're making sure we have a diverse portfolio. Yeah, we got some meme coins. Yeah, we got some low cap, small cap coins that got huge potentials, but who knows what they'll do. That's why we also have the large cap coins, the blue chip coins that will stabilize and balance out our portfolio. Because the main thing and main objective is to dominate this market. We are attempting and we are expecting to hit financial freedom. Some of the folks over there in the Patreon, they're expecting to retire. Some of the folks just want to hit millionaire status, and some folks just want to be able to kick back and do whatever it is they want to do, travel, spend more time with the kids, so forth and so on. So that is the journey that we're on. We understand that we started accumulating last year in 2023. Now this is 2024. We are getting ready to start or go through the markup phase. We understand the 4-year cycles. We understand the 4 phases of crypto. We've been talking about that over there in the Patreon. You guys come over there and join us so you can gather more knowledge, more information on how to dominate this upcoming 2024, 2025 bull market. You do not want to be sitting on the sideline and waiting to 2028. You don't want to be waiting to the next Bitcoin halving. Come on over there and join us in the Patreon. Come holler at the coach. Because like I say, I could call the play, but I can't get in the game and run the ball for you. I need you to go down below, click that Coinbase link, start your account. You can start right now. Start dollar cost average it in. It is not too late. It may seem like it's too late because Bitcoin is 70,000, 71,000, but you are not too late. I can hold your hand, guide you through, and help you dominate the last part of this bull market, so you don't have to be sitting around and waiting for 2028. So click that link, holler at us, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. But remember this play, put this play on your radar. You want to get some skin in the game, you may want to wait till it pull back, or you may want to get in right now. Opportunities are out there. We are calling so many plays over there in the Patreon. But I just want to continue coming to y'all every evening, bringing y'all that good encouragement. I just want to continue bringing y'all that good motivation as we navigate and dare to make our way through this bull market. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.